Hey, what's up guys? Sean here, back with another video. This week's video, we are hiking up to Helton Creek Falls. Sarah and I are on our anniversary trip, and we're in Blairsville, Georgia right now, so we're going to take a little evening hike. We've had a really great day today. We actually made it up to Neal's Gap on the Appalachian Trail, up to the mountain crossing. I guess it's just a little like a, I don't know, backpacker store, or what would you call it?
Like an outfitters.
Outfitters. That's the word I was looking for.
And there's a hostel too.
And there's a hostel up there too. So, but we actually made it up there today and got some pretty neat pictures. So we're gonna go ahead and try to get up to this hike. It's they said it's about a 20-minute hike. It's a road hike, so shouldn't be too bad. We're gonna get headed up there and see what we can see. Let's get it.
On both sides.
Now I know it doesn't look like much here, but this is a pretty dang steep little hill right here going down.
Get like your feet.
Well, we made it to Helton Creek, and apparently Helton Creek is flooded right now, so it looks like we are fixing to get our feet wet. I think we're going to drop the socks and shoes, head across, and then put them back on the other side. Well, so much for taking the shoe off. Now I gotta wring the water out of my socks, or my socks, since I only dropped one. But at least I'll have one dry foot, right? There's a couple who were on the other side of the creek, and they were debating on whether or not to try to cross the creek with their car, because a Jeep just came through there, but I think it's a little deep for their car. Well, just an extra part of the adventure, right? Feet's not all that wet. This way, man. So the couple that I said I didn't think were gonna cross, they went for it. Made it too. That's what I'm talking about. If you see an adventure you want to go on, hammer down. Okay, so I gotta say, I was on the fence about actually taking my shoes off to cross that creek. I look up, my wife's on the other side. So I figured there was no going back then. Had to go for it. This creek's a little deeper though. Might have to swim this one. Okay, you're gonna notice a little bit difference in the audio. This is a brand new camera, and the SD card doesn't want to stay in it, so I had to unplug the microphone so I could put the door back on it. The door holds the SD card in it for now. I got another one coming though. Well, we did it. We made it up, at least to the sign. Now we got to go find the water. crap, guys. Check that out. I hope you can hear me. I know it's pretty loud, but it wouldn't make much sense for me to come all this way and not wade around in the water a little bit, would it? I don't think so. I'm gonna go check this place out. Well, that's a beautiful place. Now it's time to head back. I'm starting to lose light here, so we gotta head on back. Oh man. Whew. Well guys, we made it back. That was a heck of a hike. We had a really good time hiking to that waterfall, but I gotta tell you, we didn't know when we headed out that way that we had to ford 2 creeks. And all joking aside, I wasn't even sure I wanted to cross that creek. And I look up on the other side, my wife's already standing there, so really didn't have much of a choice. But now we made it back and got a pretty good hunger going on, so I think we're gonna go ahead and get some dinner going. Let's do it. Alright, so we got these steaks salted, peppered, and garlic salt on them. Time to go throw them on the grill. Oh, alright, so throw these bad boys on the grill. Alright guys, well, it ain't like cooking at the Green Frog Saloon, but we got dinner done. So tonight we're gonna have these steaks and some mashed potatoes, and we're gonna sit here and watch some something on the TV. I don't know what we're gonna watch yet, but we're gonna kick back and relax. I want to say thank you for watching this video. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button down there for me. Leave me a comment. Give us a big thumbs up. This is a simple, short little waterfall hike today, but we had a great time, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I'll see you next time.